This is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on your Spotify apps. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you're moving to a new country, one of the first thing you mind will probably be your subscription, especially Spotify. Fortunately, you can move your music about with you. And if you want to go one step further, you can change the language setting to help you settle into your new home. If you want to change your Spotify language setting on your phone, you'll need to go to the settings app. So, in here we can open our Spotify. You can go to settings by tap on the up left corner on your profile in here. There is an option settings and privacy. You can just tap on that. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option content and display. You can just tap on that. There is an option display preferences app language where you can set your default language from the Spotify apps. You can just tap on that. Change your app language, tap on continue. So in here, by default, your Spotify will using your system default on your phone's language. But if you want to change to another language, you can just choose. Maybe you want to change it to, as you can see, Indonesia. So now your language on your Spotify apps will be changed to Indonesia. You can reopen. And if you want to change your Spotify language to your default again, your default language, you can just change it to your default basic. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your Spotify language on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.